Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of December, in the year 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even deeper analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and enable the notification bell to keep updated on our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 3rd, 2024, our system has classified Intel as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.79. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a decline of 6.90%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 1.72% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower part of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $20.85 is breached, it may indicate a slower rate of increase and potentially signal an early warning for a shift in the trend. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, it suggests a potential change of approximately 12.76% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 12.38% and 46.66%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a negative change of 56.05% over the upcoming year, with a potential return varying between -76.64% and -49.79%. This translates to a price range of approximately $4.89 to $10.50 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, "Green Day on Friday for Intel stock after gaining approximately 0.577%. The Intel stock price increased by approximately 0.577% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of December, 2024, rising from $20.80 to $20.92. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.84%, with a day low of $20.67 and a day high of $21.05. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 of those days, resulting in a decline of 14.4% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 89 million shares, with a total of 76 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.6 billion. It's important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could signal potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price sits 59.2%, or $30.36, below the 52-week high, and 69.81%, or $48.37, below the all-time high reached on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel has been making headlines recently, primarily due to the abrupt resignation of Chief Executive Officer Pat Gelsinger. This change has raised concerns about the company's leadership during a critical period. As a result, uncertainty among investors has increased, with Intel's stock experiencing significant downward pressure, already down more than 5% today. This recent management turmoil coincides with the company being on track for its worst performance year in recent history. In an attempt to stabilize the situation, Intel has appointed 2 new board members with strong backgrounds in semiconductors to enhance their expertise. This move may be seen as a strategic effort to address investor concerns and strengthen the company's direction in a highly competitive market. Amid these challenges, sentiment surrounding the semiconductor sector has been profoundly affected by the soaring success of companies like NVIDIA, which has capitalized extensively on the artificial intelligence boom. This disparity could prompt investors to reassess Intel's growth potential, especially in the AI space, where expectations are high. While short-term volatility may persist, Intel's efforts to restructure and solidify its leadership could lay the groundwork for a potential rebound if executed effectively. Overall, the combined effect of management changes and market dynamics may create an intriguing landscape for Intel's stock. In the short term, heightened uncertainty could suppress the stock, but in the long term, the successful implementation of their strategies may restore investor confidence and spark a recovery, potentially positioning Intel to seize growth opportunities in the evolving semiconductor market. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned INTC a market perform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, Goldman Sachs assigned INTC a sell rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, Wedbush assigned INTC an equal weight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Benchmark assigned INTC a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, Wolfe Research assigned INTC a reduce rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book value as a buy as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Intel. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, December 5, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 0.577%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, volume declined during the last trading day despite the increase in prices, which creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the near-term development. The Intel stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is situated above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $22.54 and $23.52. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a sell 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $20.91, which may present a buying opportunity. An upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. The stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 380 cents between its high and low, translating to a change of 1.84%. For the past week, the stock has maintained a daily average volatility of 5.41%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and could indicate potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 23rd of January, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at 12 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $21.47. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $20.91. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of December, 2024, Zinsner David conducted an insider purchase of 5,283 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of December, 2024, Zinsner David also conducted an insider sale of 2,620 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of December, 2024, Zinsner David sold 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Shell Christoph purchased 5,283 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of December, 2024, Shell Christoph sold 2,620 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 16.396. In total, insiders acquired 414,824 shares and disposed of 578,213 shares in the last 100 trades. This stock has received a negative evaluation and no stop loss has been established. Is Intel stock a good buy? The Intel stock shows several concerning signals, and despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Intel will experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of December, we expect Intel to open lower by 4 cents and begin trading at $20.88. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.